So I'll be sharing with you marketing know-how, sales techniques, and lastly, service innovations that will bring you more profits. After this section, ang pinakahuli na natin yung leadership. Okay? So let's talk about marketing know-how that makes a difference because if you know how to market your shop, your products, your services, lamang na lamang ka sa mga kalaban mo. Unang-una, you have to make sure that you understand your target market. Kanina sinabi ko na sa iyo yan, di ba? So why is this important? Because you need to know how much you should price your services based on your target market. And you also need to know your target market so that you can adjust your offering dun sa target market na yun. For example, nakita mo na class CD, medyo financially struggling yung market mo, di ba? Eh di dapat yung shop mo, gawin mo na lang simple, wag mo na lagyan ng maraming dekorasyon, di ba? Yung hindi masyadong costly, pero presentable pa rin. Yung attractive pa din sa customer. Pero babaan mo na, wag mo na masyadong damihan ng mga bells and whistles, sabi nga nila, di ba? So simplihan mo lang. Why? Para maibaba mo yung cost mo without sacrificing quality. This is important because it will set the tone of your business. Yun nga ang brand you. Ano ka ba? Sino ka ba? No? If you know your market, you can set the kind of person or kind of business that you will present the market. So kung yung market mo class AB, dapat yung business na pe-present mo sa kanila class AB. Kung CDE, dapat yung business mo pe-present sa kanila class CDE. Okay? Without any, I'm not talking about in terms of discrimination, but just facts. Ang fact lang naman eh. Kung saan ka na-allocate, saan ka napunta, di umayon ka doon sa market na yun. Diba? It helps you create a vibe that will attract customers with the same vibe. So meaning, kung gusto mo maka-attract ng mga customers, kailangan yung itsura ng shop mo, yung dating ng shop mo, yung dating na hanap nila. So for example, napwesto ka sa isang lugar na puro estudyante. Palagay mo, mga boarders no, na nandiyan kasi pumapasok sa school, nawawala pagka bakasyon. Pero majority of the year, 10 months of the year, nandiyan sila sa boarding house. Diba? So mga estudyante yun, ano kayang hanap nila sa laundry shop? Why don't you make your shop appeal to that market? Kasi yun ang market mo. Eh, what if you're in an area na puro mga housewives? Diba? Yung tipo mga pag pumunta sa laundry shop mo, gustong-gusto nakikipagtsikahan doon sa mga ibang mothers na nandoon. So why don't you make your shop appropriate para sa kanila? And things like that. Diba? Kasi otherwise, pag hindi, yung mga estudyante hindi pupunta kasi puro nanay. Yung mga nanay hindi pupunta kasi puro estudyante. I'm just making an example. I hope you can imagine. That's what we do. Okay? So it helps you price your products and services with the right profit margin. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. If your market can pay 80 pesos, bakit mo sisingilin ng 60? Singilin mo na 80. Diba? So that's the reason that you have to know your market. Very important yan. Okay? That's why continuous marketing and promotional activities is very important. No? Mag-plan and set ka ng budget for monthly, quarterly, annual marketing and promotional activities. Gagawa ka ng calendar katulad ito.